Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial video we're going to show you how you can change to a 12-hour format for your tasks and projects on GanttPro. So let us dive into this. So guys, for example, let me access this task here, and as you can see I'm using the 24-hour format with 9 o'clock in the morning and 18 o'clock in the morning, which is for you guys in the US, for example, 6 p.m. So if you'd like to switch to AM, PM, 12-hour format, you will need to access your account settings. To do that, click into the gear icon in the bottom right, select profile settings in the top left, and here at the bottom of that menu you will see the date format as well as the number format, and below that also the option to enable or disable the 24-hour time format. So if you'd like to change to 12, turn it off, and you will see these changes will be applied instantaneously. So if I return to the previous menu and click into that task here, you will see that indeed now we have 9 a.m. in the morning and 6 p.m. in the early evening. So that's how we do it. Thanks for watching, hope you enjoyed it, got some value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.